Yes, my people, you know what? I cannot wait to see this guy on the pitch for many reasons. I'll mention some of them later on in the video, but the main reason is that our season could heavily rely on whether this particular signing works out or not. I'm telling you now, but actually on the show we're discussing on how much of a loss Urile Mufokeng is going to be to Orlando Pirates because he had the most goal contributions last season, right? We tried to replace him with Undlovu, someone who could have given us similar numbers, but he ended up going to Mamelodi Sundowns, right? So you feel like this is a make or break signing because we still need those goals. We still need them in order for us to retain some of the titles that we won last season and even compete now in the CAF Champions League. So, since Orlando Pirates could not get a number 10, a direct replacement for Urile Mufokeng, you feel like they needed to make the signing to compensate for all the goals that Urile would be leaving with. Which is the point I'm making that if you ask me on whether Orlando Pirates will be able to defend the league, my answer would be it's going to solely rely on this guy hitting the ground running or not. Because if it doesn't, then I don't think we're able to compete with the Mamelodi Sundowns because Bona, they haven't lost that many players, right? You could argue that to Jaden Adams, actually, he was a very important player. Him hitting form in the back end of last season was very crucial in the Sundowns achieving that feat of winning the CAF Champions League. But either than him, they added, right? Cassius Mailula is back, Van Veek is there. They've now added Usianda Ndlovu, all attacking threats. Yes, they've lost to Peter Shalulile, but they still have two of the best strikers in the league currently, Brian Leon and Ikram Reyners, right? And in the middle of the park, Jaden and Allende were the ones competing for that number 8 position, right? So Allende is obviously going to be the one now to take the reins permanently. And then Emva, it's as you were. So Abashoti Abantu going into the season. And the Orlando Pirates have been dealt a huge blow, not just by Urile leaving. Mbogazi naye played an exceptional role in the first half of the season, right? He got the Orlando Pirates to a very comfortable spot before he left, and we lost him as well, right? So the Pirates have lost a lot of players who contributed heavily into their success last season. And the Sundowns have added, like I said, Ngabo Mailula, Van Veek, Sianda Ndlovu. So Peterson or Pedersen, our baby Haaland, if he doesn't hit the ground running, then the Pirates are really going to struggle in the league, man. I don't want to lie. And I'm pretty sure they have ambitions also to go in the CAF. But maybe it's just me being paranoid, Joe, because I'm very, very worried going into the season. I mean, if you look at how we won the league last season, it went to the very last day. So there are no margins for error going into this season. And I just hope we are a lot better than we were last season. But anyways, man.